Hello, welcome to EduSkill Harvest Institute YouTube channel.
In this video, we are going to learn about text to columns. Before we start, please click the link mentioned below to download this file so that you can practice. Text to columns is used in two scenarios. The first scenario, when you have the data that is compressed. For example, in this sheet, you have the data which is compressed into single column. If you go to the second column, there is no data. The whole data is in first column. So how they have compressed, with a special character comma they have given, and it has been compressed. So now we have to put it into separate columns. So in this scenario, you will use data text to columns. The second scenario is when already it is put it into separate columns, but the format is different. Suppose it is in general, you wanted to change it to text, or if it is in text, you wanted to change it to general, or if it is in general, you wanted to make it as date, right? So in this situation also, you will put data text to columns. So now let us learn how to apply data text to column. Now first we have to give the range. I'll say Control A, that is select all. Now Alt to activate the ribbons. So now where is text to column tool? It is in data ribbon. So I press A in keyboard because A is assigned for data, and here E is assigned for text to column. Here is text to column. So I will not use mouse. So I say E in keyboard. So I am getting this wizard. So in this wizard, you have two options. One is delimited, another one is fixed width. As we discussed here, there is a special character comma which has been given to compress the data. So now here, if you look at the first one, delimited, it says that characters such as comma or tabs separated each field. So we should take the first option. So I'm taking this delimited and I say next. So now before doing that, you can see here the whole data, the sample data is cluttered. The moment I give next, you see here it has put it into separate columns. So now here there are tab, semicolon, comma, space, others. So the comma is chosen, that is why it has put it into separate columns. Suppose if comma is not there, it will not show properly. So now comma is chosen, and what are the other things here? Semicolon, space. So other than that, if any other delimiter is given, for example backslash somebody is given, so you have to tick here and you have to type here manually, this is the backslash, like that, then it will take, right? In our scenario there is comma only, so we have chosen comma. So the moment you give this comma, it puts into respective columns. Then I will say next. So here if you carefully see, there are two headings like that. So the first heading is the format, general, right? So the second is the actual heading. So here if you look at the column data format, there are general, text, date. So in these three you can choose whichever you wanted. Suppose if you click here text, then here only one column has been chosen, so this has become text and rest of the things are general. So we wanted all in general. I'll click here, and now this is date column, right? So I can choose this one column and I can choose the date here, and I can choose the date, that is date month year. So I have to carefully choose DMY, otherwise the 10th October will become 1st January, right? So now I have given DMY. Now I'll say finish. So now when I see here, if I come here, I'll say control 1. Control 1 is format cells, right? So if you see here, it is in general. I'll just cancel it. I'll come here and say control 1, and you see here custom, and this is date format, right? So through text to column we can do like this. And we will look at the second scenario. For example, I'll come to the next sheet, fixed width. So here in fixed width there is one small example, and the other examples you can say that, no, if you are downloading your SB account statement, or if you are downloading some annual reports, balance sheet, right? So where you will have assets, liabilities, description or something like that, and where there are no special characters given but there is a space. So with that space actually you can properly cut. So in that way, let us look at this example. So first we have to take the range. I've taken range, and how to apply text to columns. Alt A, that is data ribbon, and E is the text to column. So now let us take fixed width. When I click that, actually the arrow marks has already set in. I'll just remove by double clicking this arrow mark. So normally it will come in this way. The ruler will come, and wherever you want it, you can actually click there, it will cut. For example, if I click here, it will cut in this place. It will make SM as one column, MDDS will make another column. So I'll how to undo, I can again double click, it will go. So now I'll single click, I will do here I wanted and here I wanted, right? So in these two places I have clicked. Suppose by mistake if I click here, what I should do, I should double click so that I can undo that, right? So now I can say next. When I say next, the same options it is available here also, that is general, text, date. So these three formats. Now here it is showing general. So here you will not get the delimiter option because this is fixed width, right? So now I will say finish. Okay, so now you can make it into separate columns, right? So these are all the two ways you can actually do the text to column. So one is delimiter, where you are giving special character, that is delimiter character, comma or semicolon or something. And in this fixed width, you will actually decide where to cut. So when you click that, it will actually cut in that place, right? And one thing you would have actually noticed here, when you have given comma as the delimiter, the comma has been removed from the Excel, right? So here in the fixed width, it will not remove anything because there are no special characters.
If you liked this video or not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button to get notification for all our future videos. Please do share this link with your friends.